Ta-da! Okay, here we are. We're going to react all the South American yes alarms. Start with Guyana. Here's start with Guyana. Okay, this is the real one. People touching the piano. The Guyana piano shops exist, but I think I'm not. But I think this. Okay, this is a fake one.
The predictions can sometimes be inaccurate,
yeah, this
but
is a
we
fake
do know
one
that
because
even
this is
heavy
a
rain falling over a short period usually.
Because that's a broadcast. So yeah. Oh! Okay, that's okay. Here we are. Okay, all the Brazilian yes alarms. The chains alert. What is this? Okay. Now I take the sword. That's artist. Artist. Okay. Here's the origin of this alarm. Yes! Yes, because the alarm is so real. Because this is the original footage of this alarm. Oh, I hear some Brazilian persons. No, I don't want to touch the really wall. Because I hate that channel. So even the time. Because this is in the United States. Oh, the siren change. Siren change. Because it's to the title is says Brazilian yes alarm in real life. Okay. That's all for tonight. Have a shit in me. Oh my god. Have a shit in me. Okay. Okay, that's all. That was the Brazilian yes alarms. I would start from the 1975. Yeah, I mean 70, 55. This alarm is oldie. Oh god, it's kind of scary. I said the alarm has footage because I comment that. Because I make a comment that says the alarm has footage, and I don't think the alarm has footage, so yeah. Okay. I forgot the tallest in there. Okay, guys. I think this does it all. Okay, let's react to this one. Brazilian yes alarm for 1998. What the fuck? What that sounds like? I can hear the alarm. I can't.
Alerta de emergência emitido pelo
so
governo
a woman's
federal,
talking.
classe 5. Ameaça iminente.
Oh my god! I hear that noise! What the fuck? What the fuck is that? What shit at me? Oh yeah. Kids now with the Brazilian yes alarm from 1946. Okay, that's all. The freak is now with the team. Yeah, we know. We know that. The freak is kind of scary. Not yet. Or all. Okay, that's all. That was Suriname yes alarm. You got it! Really? Okay, that. What? Nothing? Let's see. Okay. I think that's all. That was the Colombia ES alarm. You got it! Bro! No. Okay. I forgot to dumb here. Okay, here we go, Venezuela. Okay, now I need to do nothing for this alarm. Chile. I'm in Chile because I'm alive in Chile. Because I come from Chile. Because I was here for no reason. I don't know. Okay, here we go, Ecuador. What's this? I hear the USA ES alarm. No. The Ecuador ES alarm. Alternative version of it. No, I hate that.
7up. Quedémonos con lo
Can we stop
refrescante.
for X?
Emergencia nacional.
Oh, the woman
Esto no
speaks.
es un simulacro. Esto no es...
Why? Okay, now the Chile ES alarm for 1960. That was here kind of creepy. Creepy. Okay, in the year 1960, it was the first earthquake in Chile. Yeah, because I know. Because you know, the first earthquake in Chile, it was in 1960. A scenario. Oh. 2007 ES alarm. The other ones. Got it. Okay, now you see. Oh, Hera, a man speaking.
Dentro de 30 segundos, sírvanse integrar red nacional de radio y televisión.
Yeah, I know I'm in Chile because I'm from Chile. Okay, I think I'm done here. Okay, Quito, Ecuador. What? Oh, short.
Emergencia.
No! Know what? There was another country for you know what? That's why I'm YouTube. Honduras is not a country for South America. It's for Central America. Okay, let's go. Chicayana. Okay, the other one. Okay, laser. What the hell? Oh my god, we are selling. No, I hit the alarm. Okay, no. Ah, yours. I hate that. Here. What about the 1935 Argentina ES alarm? sounds like. What's up? No! Hit an alarm. Poor yes alarms. Poor yes alarms, right? Poor yes alarms. Poor yes alarms. Poor yes alarms. Poor yes alarms. I hate you. Los odio. South America alarms. I've got to be kidding me. These countries can't speak Portuguese and English, but I said Guerrilla was in the it's for Central America, not South America. Bolivia. What the? Seems got to be kidding me. Oh my God! Someone saying the Mexican city is a lot different by high speed. Oh no, more ice! That is the ice one! Yes, alarm. It's kinda weird. What the hell? That scared the fucking shit out of me. Look at that! It's only a tire, yes, alarm. That's kinda creepy. There's no gods. No! Guatemala is a country for Central America, not South America. Are you crazy? If we're on YouTube, United Nations. Okay, go. Oh, why has alarm from 9 to
Anunciando el inicio de la depuración anual,
Oh,
sancionada
I
por el
wasn't
gobierno.
speaking
Se
in Spanish. That woman speaks.
anunciando el inicio de la depuración anual, sancionada por el gobierno. Se autoriza
But it
el uso
needs
de
to
armas de
translate
clase
that.
4 e inferiores durante la...
Are pretty good. I need to find the extended version of the Uruguay song from 2002, but I can't find it. Not really, or at all. Okay, whatever. You talk about that and your shit. So, what about not your shit? Talk about Trinidad and Tobago. Where what the sound one? I hear word sounds, but I hate it. Okay, that's all for tonight. Goodbye, ladies and gentlemen.